Tourism Pathshala, it will transform your dream into reality.
Good morning, my dear student. Before going to discussion the class, there is important information. We have already started UGC NEET and JRF coaching for tourism administration and management and paper 1 also. We will provide online classes. Number 1, number 2, syllabus wise coverage. Number 2, number 3, previous year short question and analysis and explanation each and every question. I will provide also PDF note. There is a doubt clearing session and you also get the flexible class schedule. Student who have interest, you can join through this WhatsApp number 9123711814. Thank you. Good afternoon, my dear. This is our preparation with PYQ series. Today, topic is based on number 1, tourist typology. This question will connected to the application of Cohen classification, means a typology of tourists. They have given the question who is considered as a drifter. Okay, the second question we will learn the gastronomy, also based on the cultural tourism. What is the relation, what do you mean by gastronomy, what is the relation between tourism and gastronomy? The third question, our third question is based on about multidisciplinary component of tourism. They have given the statement, question and statement. UGC provide the question and statement, the various aspect on disciplinary aspect of tourism. Fourth part, we learn the assertion and reason. Assertion reasoning based question. They have given the statement, assertion, and second they have given the reason. We will find out the relation between assertion, reason, which is true or which is false. That they have 3 topics we will learn today. Number 1, ecotourism related. Number 2, tourism attraction. They have given the pleasing weather. Number 3, we will learn about the commercialization of tourism product. This 3 topic is based on assertion and reason. And finally, the final question, the expert opinion on tourism. The different expert, we have to study the different expert. The famous quotation based question. The Thomas Cook has given the idea as a statement. So these are the important area of our today's class. Good afternoon, my dear. Now, today we are going to learn the important question of tourism administration and management from Unit 1. The first question is, a type of tourist who seeks novelty at all cost, even discomfort and danger, and avoid contact with other tourists. You at first try to understand the question clearly. The person or tourist who seek novelty, they don't need the familiarity. They seek the novelty at all cost, even discomfort and danger. Avoid contact with other tourists. They have given the 4 options: drifter, adventure, psychocentric, and diver. The point is the correct option is drifter. Now, what would be our strategy? Our strategy, why is drifter? And what do you mean by drifter? And what is the related, this topic, the related with the model? Which model? এটা আমাদের জানতে হবে যে এই সাবজেক্টটা, এই টপিকটা, this topic, how this topic is related with the model or application of tourism. Now, the drifter means, first of all, what do you mean by drifter? The drifter, this type of tourist does not seek any contact with any other tourist or the organized tourism industry. They try to completely immerse themselves in the host culture. That is, live the way they live, eat in the food they eat, and fully share their customs and tradition. For this type of tourist, familiarity is at a minimum, and novelty is at maximum. They need the novelty. This concept has got from the Cohen classification. According to Cohen, Cohen has given this type of model, the basic motivation, and using this type of experience, tourists can be categorized into following four types. Cohen has given organized mass tourist, individual mass tourist, explorer, and drifter. So this question is based on the typology of tourist. First of all, you have to understand this question is based on typology of tourist, and this conception has given the Cohen in 1972. Cohen has given the four type of tourist: organized mass tourist, individual mass tourist, explorer, and drifter. So the correct option, that it. It would be our next question. The term gastronomy referred to an aspect of the gastronomy. The term gastronomy referred to an aspect of, they have given the space tourism. The question is, the term gastronomy referred to an aspect of space tourism, medical tourism, cultural tourism, and marine tourism. So gastronomy, before that, gastronomy, the question gastronomy, or the next question is gastronomy is a study of relationship between food and culture. The art of preparing. What is gastronomy? That is, gastronomy is related with the food tourism. And the study the relationship between food and culture. The art of preparing and serving rich or delicate and appetizing food. The cooking style of particular region and science of good eating. The gastronomy is related with the food tourism or cuisine tourism and the culture. The different place. India is a dynamic country. Different people, different culture, different places has different types of food culture on the particular region. Okay. Our question number 3, complete tourism study should comprise the study of. Question number 3, the geography, environment, ecology, number 1. Number 2, history, heritage, and culture. Number 3, economics and management. The correct option, and number 4, the option number 4, all of the above. The correct option, all of the above, because tourism is a multidisciplinary subject. It's socio-cultural and environmental phenomena. It's a modern time tourism considered as an industry. So economics and management are also important part of the subject. See, our next question is based on assertion and reason. Ecotourism, first assertion means statement. Ecotourism respect the environment and encourage and promote the well-being of local people. Reason, mass tourism. Mass tourism not do this. So they have given the 4 options, both A and R. A and R are true. A and R are true, but R is the not correct explanation. A is true, but R is the false. A is false, but R is true. The thing is the explanation. The ecotourism is simply describe travel to natural place. So ecotourism is a type of nature-based tourism. Ecotourism basically type of nature-based tourism that benefit the local communities, destination, environmentally, culturally, and economically. According to International Ecotourism Society, define ecotourism. Ecotourism is responsible travel to natural area. That is responsible travel to natural area, conserve the environment and sustain the well-being of local people. It's the ecotourism fundamental object. And mass tourism who go to the destination get much broader and serious range of impact than ecotourist. The mass tourism is a broad category, broad-based tourism. That's why the assertion and reason both are true. Ecotourism respect environment and encourage the promote the well-being of local people. And mass tourism may not do things. They don't bother about that. There's a large scale of people, large scale of tourist movement based on the mass tourism. Okay. Our next question is assertion pleasing weather. Pleasing weather is an important element of tourism. Reason tourists from countries with extreme weather visit hill station and beaches in search of fine weather and sunshine. So both A are true, R is not correct explanation. Both A are true, R is not the correct explanation. Both A are true, but R is the correct explanation. Both A are true. The correct option question. This question. A and R are true. R is the correct explanation. Both A are true, but R is not the correct explanation. A and R is wrong, and A is true, R is false. This is our question. So, what will be the answer? So, mm, both A are true and R is the correct explanation. Why? Because one explanation, one of the most important and crucial attraction of any tourist place is fine weather with warm sunshine. This is the main thing, to find weather and warm sunshine. For holiday stay, good weather is a particularly important ingredient since it play an important role in making holiday a pleasant or an unpleasant experience. If weather is good, my experience become pleasant. If weather is not suitable, if the weather is not favor of us, the unpleasant experience will arise. So sunshine and clear sea breeze at the beaches have attracted many since a very long time. Many areas have become important winter holiday resort, attracting a large number of tourists. So it's a very important. There is a link. How can we solve the question? How can you solve this kinds of question, assertion and reason? We try to find the connection between assertion and reason. The pleasant weather, important element of reason. It has the connected. The tourists from country experience the weather. It's a country with extreme weather to visit the hill station or beaches. So there is a connection between pleasant weather and the destination. That's why both A and R true and R is the correct explanation. Our next question, tourism result in the transformation of cultural event into commercial product. First assertion, reason, technology has made travel and corresponding quicker and easier. This question, tourism result in transformation of cultural event into commercialization product. Try to understand the link between and try to find out the link. My student, try to find out the link between this statement, assertion and reason. The tourism result the transformation of cultural event and commercialization of product is true. Technology has made travel and correspond quicker and easier. But what would be the correct option? The correct option, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. Why? Both statements are true. First statement, assertion is based on the transformation of tourism from cultural event to commercialization. Day after day, if you observe, the tourism become a product. The commercialization, transformation from cultural to commercialization. But R is the based on the application of technology. Application of technology which help to promote tourism quicker and easier. So there is no real link between the transformation of tourism from cultural perspective to commercialization. That's why both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. Our next question is a very interesting question. This question, the God's art in all its fullness and beauty is for the people. Who said this? I repeat again, God's art in all its fullness and beauty is for the people. Who said this? Max Muller, Mark Twain, Mark Twain. Max Miller, Mark Twain, Thomas Cook, John Cook. So correct option, the correct option is the Thomas Cook. So these kinds of question you have to remember the expert outstanding statement or opinion of the expert. These types of question also come in our also provide UGC. Okay, fine. So these are the important topic up to this class. So keep connect with this channel. Follow any queries. You can any queries. If you want to take the guidance, I have already started the systematic classes, explanation, discussion. Find out how can we take the steps and strategy to prepare effectively. So my dear student, keep touch with the channel. If you want to take the class, if you want to start the class, if you want to take my guidance, you can contact through my WhatsApp. That's the number I've already given. Thank you.